On this channel, we talk about how to write and produce amazing stories, from storytelling tips to in-depth analysis. Our one, make your characters seem like real people with real problems, no matter how fantastical the character is.
The way that I read that is what's right with the world, what's wrong with the world, how things can get worse, and how things can get better.
We also share our own original fantasy films and audiobook clips here as well. If you're interested in storytelling or just want new fantasy stories, check out the playlist below titled Intro to our channel. Then be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss new videos. Welcome to the Fantasy Storytelling YouTube channel, produced by the Reclamation Society.